Hello, my sisters. Today, I want to introduce my sisters to a shirt. A. Hame with the bow material. Tendon. Lie is pregnant. Hands are empty and we will have. That's the button here. For this model, my material is plastic. So it is. When I made this model, you cut it. The formula is that we don't have a plus. And the button here is the train button. So when you're lucky, I will also have a bit of clutter. I didn't break the splint. The first step is to take the long shirt. If you wear long clothes here, you will see that I will cover your ass and it will. There is the pregnant part. So the length of this dress is 65. And then you're going to shoulder to shoulder, shoulder to shoulder. Dividing 2 is equal to 32. 2 is equal to 16. I took a line that was 16 down to 4 inches. If you take her, divide her by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. I connected in. And I cut Cho, the chest is Cho chest. 5 years you add. Give me 280 divided by 5. Give me 2 is equal to 18. I took it down to 18. Then you'll take it down. Give me the lower part. Lower your waist here, I'll take B5. Then across the chest, you will take the chest. Divide by 4 plus by 2. 80 divided by 4 plus 2 equals 22. The road is 22. If you go to the waist, you will take the waist. Divided among 4 sisters, sorry. For this model, it's made of elastic fabric, so I won't add it here. I left this number and changed it to 0. Then you can take it out and give me 20. Then right waist is waist divided by 4 is equal to 64 divided by 4. And you take it out and give me 16. Then your ass is divided by 4. You don't add up to 80, 4 is 20. Takeover for me is equal to 20. Remember, this is a stretch cloth. The usual cloth you apply. This is the missing cut. Can't wear. And then from this live stream you go up. Here you are equal. 13. Let's split this in half. And then there's this. Let's split this in half. It's only 3 inches and from here, I'll connect. This way in. Then we'll get the part of the gourd. Then, I'm going to make a right angle line and I'm going to split it in half. Split in 2 again. And the old part, you see. Let me see the pattern again. This collar is a round collar, girls. Step back from here, give me to gas. Back neck down is 7. I put a square ruler here. You're going to wear the round collar. That's where we get the collar. This is the front end. Now you're going to do it for the body. By being. I'll come up here with 2. Here you go, drop one more gas. In this part, you will. If we go through 2 gas lines, we'll get the back. After the body, we cut. It's cut along the red line, and this Arabia is unsewn. You have to cut the seams. Then we cut the gored live part. You have to mark the live part. Yours is here. I may start from here. This time we will break it live. In case you like the line. Yours is sharper. I can go this sharp way too. They go the voting line. It's a curve. It's because of me. If I like to change, I will change. And that's the back. After you have done this, reduce it. Give me some gas. This cloth is also a stretch cloth, ladies. I just used this recipe. If we don't stretch, we use the formula plus. The recipe will be different. And now to the previous body, we're going to go this way. We will get the part. The previous part here. And this shirt has something special. We will install many buttons. Where the button is the stir-fry button. So you will cut me the toothpick. The toothpick bib. Here, you will cut a piece of cloth. And then you double down on how big it is. This horizontal of it is bagasoline. So when you double, it's 6. Then we will sew the toothpick. Let's start with this waist. From here, you will. So if you measure down a segment, there's 7 petrol here. Then we'll cut the length of the bib. Toothpick is here. The length of the centerfold is here. When you are lucky, in this way, you turn out. If we have one body, we will. There's this toothpick, the body over there, there's a toothpick. When you press the button, rows of buttons created. Here, this toothpick will cover that part. If you wear it, it will not open your chest. Here's a front and back. Oh, of this dress. Remember, this fabric is for elastic fabric. Don't have. Cut the fabric is not elastic to wear damaged clothes. And then after that, we're done. I'll measure your armpit. Armpit line. Here you will measure 19 of the front body. The next year I measured 20. And now the sleeve is going to be long sleeve. So you define me from this point. If you come back here, you will divide the chest by 10. U plus for 5. 80 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 13, and I'm going to get 13. Transport a perpendicular line. Then you take 19 plus 20. Just now, I measured 2 caps, which is but 9 divided by 2, which is 18.5. I'll take it to 18.5. Then you split it in two, 1 and 2. Here up to this number 1. Then this sleeve is the long sleeve I took, and this is 50. Then the door, the hand here is 12. I connected this part. Split in two. Then we'll get a sleeve like this. Then you will cut off your hand. Here we will use the part. Come here, you will. Give me a gas, this letter reduces a gas. It will be the front arm. And this will be the back hand. Ha! And we get the whole thing, an Arabic pattern of the shirt. There is always the front hand. Hands behind front body and back body, like this. Well, if you watch. If you come here with something you don't know or need. Oh, add something. Then you can comment below. As soon as I see the comment, I'll see and answer for you. Pay attention to this part of the pregnancy, you will leave. Seam here 1 and so on. You can break this pregnancy twice. Hybrid chives or the sisters cut. The hybrid following the curve of the hybrid we may be like sewing splints, or you can cut the slash we're edging. It's like dating of. The dress is also good, 2 parts like this. And the ancient part of the cloth a. 2. This cloth is a spandex cloth, which is the form. If you want to cut it, you can cut it. Or sisters too. You can break the splint in 5 glasses. And I wish you success. Thank you. Hi. See you later.